Dean Glanville. I'm the General Manager of Kotzur Proprietary Limited, or a lot of people know us as Kotzur Silos. So it's a second generation family business. We'll do a full turnkey project, so concept, design, manufacture, deliver, build, commission. They can be from the local farmer through to an international grain trading company. One of our big issues, being 40 kilometres out of Albury, is attracting skilled people. Each year we try and have a number of apprentices, and they can be school leavers or they can be people who have already commenced employment with us and are looking to upskill. We have a young female from the local St Paul's College here come on board. She was our first female trade employee on the floor, and that's been fantastic. It's really set the tone for a lot of the rest of our workforce. Training Services New South Wales have been integral to that in making sure that it was going to work. In a lot of ways that's really opened the door for us, and now we've got a second female apprentice. She's on board full time with us. Interesting story, she was one of the managers at the local accommodation, but her real passion was trades, and especially metal fabrication. She hadn't been able to find an opportunity, and so we interviewed her like everyone else, and she was our preferred candidate, and she's come on board and she's done really well. Along the way, when different sorts of funding opportunities have arisen around training, they'll make us aware of those, and one was the part qualification one. The sustainability and growth of this business is fundamental to the future of the town and the local community. So the ability to train the people that we've got here has been significant in terms of making sure we've got appropriately skilled people within our workforce. The job creation and sustaining of jobs is significant. Feeding into that is the educational outcomes. Plenty of opportunities for people to take a different path, that by trades or whatever else it might be, and be successful and have a fulfilling career. Training Services New South Wales have enabled our business to grow. I think that they open doors to, you get caught up in the day-to-day running of your business and quite blinkered and focused in that. So I'd highly recommend anyone work with them, especially if you're looking to develop and grow the skills within your workforce.